Hello guys, welcome back to the Unravel AI YouTube channel. Here we teach you everything that you need to know concerning AI, how to make your work faster, increase your productivity, and then by optimizing the time you spend on projects. So today we are going to look at a data set and how to rearrange or sort these data sets using AI, particularly ChatGPT. So we have a data set in Excel, which is this data set which you are seeing right here. That's this data set you are seeing right here, and we want to do some sorting on Excel, but we are not going to use all the Excel tools to do the sorting. I know Excel has sort and filter that you can use inbuilt, already embedded in Excel that you can use. But my aim in this video is to show you an alternative method of doing this using ChatGPT by just typing in your prompt. So by the time we finish sorting this is how it's going to look like this. So you can see that the data set right here is already has morning, afternoon, evening, and these are the NPL, and that's the noise pollution level, the NPL of the corresponding time of the day just here. So we want to plot a graph with this, and as a result we'll need to rearrange this data to look like this. Like we want to collect all morning, all afternoon, and all evening, and then of course we can also get the average. So with this right now, okay, for now we do not need the average, so let me just take it off this. What we'll do right now is to highlight this right here. These are the data I want to rearrange, and once I copy this data, I'll go to my ChatGPT and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to hit enter. So say this is unable to upload image. That's fine. So but however, you can still go on with your prompt even with this particular response, but on a normal day it's supposed to upload the image which you have copied on this particular ChatGPT page right here. So we are going to include our prompt. We can say arrange this in a tabular form. I will give you the prompt in the description below, so let me just go ahead to write the prompt. So this is the prompt: arrange this in a tabular form with morning, afternoon, and evening as individual column headers. So we are going to send this, and let's see what it's going to return to us. So it has returned this. So automatically it has sorted and arranged the data the way we wanted it to be. So if we want to do any further analysis, we can copy this to Excel, plot the graph if you want to, and of course you can also continue with the data analysis here on ChatGPT. So if you want to know more on how you can use this AI ChatGPT for data analysis, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and in the subsequent videos I'm going to upload, I'm going to unravel ways that you can queue into the data analysis world with just ChatGPT. Now you do not need to know the Excel formulas, and there's so many things that you would want to know or you need to know with Excel before you can analyze simple data. All you just need to know is how to command ChatGPT with reasonable prompts, just like we have done here. So when I copy this to Excel, this is what I'm going to have. So with this now, I can decide to play around with this data, can decide to plot a graph with this data, which I would not have been able to plot if it has not been arranged. So this is it right here. So I can also do this with ChatGPT. I can also plot this graph with ChatGPT. I can visualize this data the way I want it with ChatGPT. So thank you guys for staying tuned to this channel. I believe and I hope that this video really helped you a lot. Can you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to as many that you know would want it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.